Welcome to the My Telescope series. Here you will learn everything you need to know about setting up and maintaining your telescope. Use these instructions as a resource to guide you on your journey. Let's start with the basics. The optical tube assembly is the actual telescope. There are two main types of telescopes, refractor and reflector. Reflector telescopes have mirrors and have one open end. Refractor telescopes have lenses and are enclosed. The Finderscope is the small telescope attached to your main optical tube. It helps you find celestial objects. The mount holds the optical tube assembly and lets you track celestial objects. There are two types of mounts, Equatorial and Altitude and Azimuth, also known as Alt-Az mounts. Equatorial mounts have counterweights and make tracking celestial objects easy. Alt-Az mounts are simple mounts with two axes of rotation, up and down and side to side. The focuser knob adjusts the draw tube and focuses your view. The eyepieces are the lenses closest to your eye. You can switch them to change your magnification. The erecting diagonal or erecting prism flips the image right side up. The diagonal goes into the focuser tube. With these basic terms, you can now approach setting up your telescope with ease. Please visit our website, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and leave your comments below. Your feedback is important to us. Until next time, see you later.